Morning, everybody. So it is super early, and it's super cold too. I know, wearing short sleeve, but it's still cold. So today I'm out just kind of exploring. I want to check out some fishing spots. Right here, I am at a big park, and I mean, here's, you know, boat ramp, all that kind of stuff. And I mean, there's already people out there fishing, but huge park. Now you can go up here, and right over there is a cut through, and you can go over that side, and there's a reservoir over there, but then that reservoir goes a long ways out that way. That side is actually the better fishing. You could park alongside the road over there and kind of drop in, which I've done before, or you could bring your boat and drop in right here. Now I say that because I'm thinking about buying a boat. Haven't decided. Also, I need to get my freshwater license, or I'd be fishing like, you know, right now. It's a nice little area. All right, so like I said, we're checking out spots today. So let's head to the next spot. I know the next spot is saltwater, so I'm going to go ahead and fish there for a few minutes. Got all my stuff in the car. Might put my hoodie on, because that's actually on the river. So let's head to the next spot. Okay, so it's a few days later. Yeah, it's going to be noisy here. So, had something come up after the last clip to this clip. Well, here's what it is. So we're heading out to a spot. Now, I already just came in here and walked around, and I saw no signs saying no fishing, because this is a kayak and canoe launch. Now, I guess these are the paths you can walk down. So there's one here, there's one there, one here, and one here. And we're right underneath the interstate. So it's a nice little quiet area. And I only mean quiet because there's nobody here. But we're right on the river. There's a bird. So we're gonna stand around, we're gonna cast for a few minutes, and then see if anything pops up. So I've got my Zebco rod. Well, I switched out to a new reel because I wasn't happy with the reel that was on there, so I went ahead and switched to a Zebco 404. It's a lot bigger, plus it has the dual handles, which is something I prefer. So let's go ahead and get this set up, get my camera on, and let's go ahead and fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and apologize in advance because it is windy out. This is the remnants of, well, I'm not going to say remnants. There's a hurricane coming up the East Coast. Well, it's pushing a lot of wind right now. And we're kind of stuck in this, so it's going to be a little windy. Hey, it is what it is. There's like a lot of concrete little blocks out here. I do have, like, just, you know, out of my mystery tackle box, have a, you know, swim fish on here. Nothing much. Oh, and I did just leave Bass Pro just a minute ago, and I do have my freshwater license now, so I talked about that in the previous clip. Well, I decided to go ahead and get it, so that way because the next spot we hit, oh look, got a stick fish. So the next spot we hit is going to be a freshwater spot. It's like I'm watching him swim, the little fish swim through the water. Swims pretty good. So Okay, so we have left the saltwater place underneath the bridge. Well, here we go to a freshwater pond. Tied on a rattle trap. So it says right here on this sign, channel catfish stocked into the water body. 4 channel catfish per day. So it's a decent size little pond. I mean, looks like there's a path where you can walk. I don't know if we can walk all the way around it, but we are going to try. Now, I have never ever caught anything freshwater. So I'm not holding my hopes up. Now I also have in my bag some Guggen bait, lunker logs, and some better hooks. Ooh, man, that thing like rolls really good. Oh, that thing casts so nice. Now, like I say, I am brand new to freshwater, so right now we're just trying it out, see what happens. And I've been using the 404, a lot happier with this one than whatever that other reel that was on here, because also, like I said, it's the dual handle. Love the dual handle a lot better. So there's I don't know if you can be able to see it, there's a ditch back here behind it. I know that this ditch leads like way that way to another huge pond, but I don't know how to get to that pond as of right now. And the water's down, but usually it looks like it's up pretty high where you could just walk right out here, which people have done. This looks like a nice little spot. Got a little cut in here. Bad thing is there's so many sticks and all in this area. Yep, I'm recording. And I mean, honestly, I don't even know what kind of fish are out here besides that thing that said channel catfish. So, don't know what's biting. That just didn't.
And I'm not stressed if I don't catch anything. I'm just out having fun. And well, gotta figure out this freshwater thing. Now the bad thing is, I have 3/0 hooks, some Guggen lunker logs, I'll show you here in a second, watermelon, red, sparkles. Now I can't seem to find, I bought the, you know, titanium weights, can't seem to find the weights. So let's set this up. This is what I like too. They have like spots that you put your rods, all that kind of stuff. It's a nice thing. Okay, so right there, Guggen 4-inch lunker logs, watermelon red flake, which are really good from what I've heard, just in general. And then to go with them, right there, some 3/0 hooks. Run it on a like a Texas rig, but can't seem to find my titanium weights. So didn't see them in the car. They could have fallen in a crack, who knows. So needless to say, we're just using the rattle trap today. If I lost them and I have to go back and buy some more weights, then I will. Okay, I fished for about another half hour, 45 minutes, give or take. Haven't caught nothing. Hey, it is what it is. It's all good. I'm having fun out just getting fishing on. And plus it's just getting away from everybody in general. So I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find me some more weights. Or I guess I gotta go back to the store and buy more weights. Ain't no big deal. So I'll go pick them up and we might come back here. We'll see. If not, we got another spot or two that we will hit up in the next video. So, and we got freshwater and saltwater. We're just gonna be mixing it up. So, catch you in the next one.